In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Facebook Messenger bot on ManyChat. We'll start right inside your ManyChat admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, you'll see another menu on the left. Find the section called Channels, and under that, select Messenger. This is where you connect your Facebook business page to ManyChat. If your page is not connected yet, you'll see a Connect button. Click that and follow the prompts that appear. ManyChat will guide you through logging into Facebook and choosing which page to connect. Once it's linked, your Messenger bot will be able to respond to people who message that page. Next, we're going to create the actual bot automation. On the far left, click on Automation. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the button that says New Automation. A pop-up will appear showing different automation templates for any channels you've connected. For this tutorial, we're going to build everything from scratch so you really understand what's happening. In the top right of that pop-up, choose Start from Scratch, then select Start with a blank option from the drop-down. The page will reload and open the automation editor, which is where we design the conversation flow. Inside the editor, click on New Trigger. A pop-up will open. Use the filter panel on the left side of that pop-up and click on Messenger. Now you'll see all the available Messenger triggers. For this example, choose the trigger called User Sends a Message. This means the automation will start when someone sends a message to your page. When you select that, a drawer will slide open on the left, asking how you want this automation to be triggered. You'll see options like detecting specific words in a message or recognizing the intention using AI. For now, choose Detect Specific Words in a Message. In the Keywords field, enter words your customers might use, such as info, services, help, or support. These keywords will tell ManyChat when to run your bot. When you're done, click Create at the bottom. Now we'll build the first response. In the editor, click on Messenger to add a message step. A drawer will slide open on the right where you can type your welcome message. For example, you might write something like, "Hi, welcome to our page. How can I help you today?" Below that message, click Add Button. A pop-up will appear where you can set up the first button. Enter a title such as View Services or simply Services. Under the button action, choose to continue in Messenger when the button is pressed, then click Done. This creates a new step in the flow that will run when someone taps that button. Let's add another option for people who want a real person. Click. Add button again under the same welcome message. For the button title, type something like Talk to Human or Support. This time, choose the option to perform actions when the button is clicked. We'll connect that to live chat in a moment. Look at your automation flow now. You'll see that each button you added has its own step. Click on the step connected to the Services button. In the message box, type out the details of your services, offers, or any information you want to share automatically. This lets people quickly see what you provide without needing a human to respond every time. Next, let's handle the support option. Find the step that's connected to your support or talk to human button. In that step, you'll see an area that says click to add an action. Click that. A sidebar will appear on the left. Click the option to add an action. A pop-up will open, and on the left side, you'll see filters. Click on live chat. From here, you can choose what you want to happen when someone asks for support, such as assigning the conversation to a team member or notifying specific assignees. This allows a human to take over the conversation inside ManyChat's live chat area. Once your messages and actions are set up and you're happy with the flow, go to the top right of the automation editor and click Set Live. This activates your Messenger bot. From now on, when people message your connected Facebook page and use any of the keywords you defined, your ManyChat bot will respond automatically with your welcome message, service details, and the option to talk to a human.